Welcome to Full On Self Motivation Podcast. I'm Nitya Rangarajan, and today we are shaking things up a bit. We are not just talking strategies and systems, we are diving deep with your energy. Because let's face it, you can have the best business plan, the perfect budget, and still feel like you are swimming upstream. Today, we are focusing on those invisible forces that either attract or repel abundance in your life, your money and time energy. And I'm going to guide you through a powerful energy audit that will help you identify where you might be unconsciously blocking wealth and freedom from flowing into your life. Ready to clear those blocks and unlock your abundant potential? Let's begin. The first step is to understand your energy works. We often think of wealth building as purely a logical process, right? The right steps, the right formulas. But our energy plays a huge role. The mindset and emotions you bring to your finances and your schedule either open you up or shut it down to abundance. Now, let's look at some common energy drains that might be blocking your flow. Common energy drains could be constant checking of bank accounts from fear, obsessively monitoring your finances from a place of worry and anxiety. That's a sure energy drain. It keeps you focused on what you lack, not on the possible. Second is saying yes when you want to say no. Overcommitting yourself. That will exhaust your energy. It will leave you depleted. And this shows a lack of self worth and undervalues your time. Third is rushing through your day. Always feeling rushed and scattered is a massive energy leak. It signals a lack of control over your time and it creates constant stress. Guilt around spending on yourself is the fourth one. Okay. Please don't feel guilty about spending on yourself. You are worth it. If you do not feel so, then it undermines your abundance mindset. Now, the fifth one is resentment about others' success, comparing yourself to others and feeling jealous sabotages your own ability to attract wealth. It shifts your focus from your own path to others' paths. Now, how do you know if your money energy is blocked? Let me show you what signs you can see. It might be like you often find yourself dealing with surprise bills or financial setbacks. It can be a sign of blocked energy manifesting as chaos. Or maybe you are feeling stuck in scarcity. You have a constant feeling of never having enough, no matter how hard you work. And the next one, maybe you are avoiding dealing with your finances, putting off important tasks like budgeting, paying bills, or investing. Or it could be you are tensed up or you feel anxious when thinking about or dealing with your finances. It's a physical manifestation of blocked energy. Now let's move to step two, the energy audit process. Now let's get practical. We are going to walk through a quick energy audit to identify your personal blocks. Grab a journal and let's get started. First, let's assess your time energy. Morning energy assessment. How do you feel when you wake up? Are you energized, excited, or do you dread the day ahead? Next one is peak performance periods. When do you feel yourself being most productive and creative? Next is energy vampires in your schedule. Which activities or people drain your energy the most? Next is recovery and renewal spaces. What do you do to recharge and replenish your energy? And how often do you actually do it? Next, let's check your money energy. Emotional triggers around spending. What situations or purchases trigger negative emotions like guilt, anxiety, or fear for you? And what makes you feel abundant, grateful, and positive about money? And what habits do you have that actively nurture a healthy relationship with money for you? Maybe gratitude, journaling, visualization. And how organized and inviting is your physical workspace and financial area? Step 3, creating new energy patterns. Now that you have identified your energy blocks, it's time to create new patterns that attract abundance. Consistency is key here. Incorporate these daily energy rituals into your routine. So, these are the rituals. Money appreciation practice. Each day, take a few minutes to express gratitude for the money you have, no matter how small it is. This shifts your focus from lack to abundance. Second is time abundance declarations. Start your day by declaring, I have all the time I need to accomplish what's important for me today. This sets a positive intention and helps you prioritize effectively. Third is energy protection techniques. Shield yourself from energy vampires by setting boundaries, saying no without guilt, and limiting exposure to negativity. Fourth is wealth welcome routine. Welcome space for money and flow into your life. This could involve decluttering your workspace, organizing your finances, or visualizing money coming to you with ease. I hope this energy audit has given you some valuable insights into your own energy blocks and how to clear them. Remember, aligning your energy is just as important as having the right strategies and systems. If you are ready to dive deeper into creating an abundant mindset and attracting wealth and freedom into your life? I invite you to join the Millionaire Mom program. Inside the program, we will help you create a personalized wealth welcome routine, energy protection plan, and so much more. See the description to learn more and take the next step on your abundance journey. Thank you so much for joining me on this energy shifting episode. Remember to subscribe so that you don't miss our upcoming episodes. Until next time, keep clearing those blocks, align your energy, and welcome all the abundance that is meant for you. See you next time. Bye bye.